How's it going, people? It's Devon once again, bringing you another daily dose of insight and motivation. Are you a manifester? Are you someone who has come into the knowledge that you can create your reality? That you can be, do, or have anything that it is that you desire? Have you just recently heard these things and you're like, what the heck is manifestation, man? What's going on here? Well, don't look any further. I am getting ready to break down manifestation for beginners. Look, she just wanna realize the future, realize the future, realize the future. I'm gonna realize the future, realize the future, realize the future. Okay, let's first talk about this word that we've been hearing all the time. We just started hearing and we're enthralled with this word. Manifest. It just sounds so good coming off the tongue, right? Manifest. What does that mean, right? Because if we look up, the Webster's, the Merriam dictionary definition, I'm not gonna quote this exactly, but it will say something to the effect that manifesting is to make something appear, right? To make appear to, and if I just say more in the definition that I kind of understand it esoterically, is to make something that exists in the astral realm, the realm of thought, the realm of ideas, and to take that thing and to bring it down into physical reality, right? To manifest it into your experience so that you can share it with others, you can enjoy it yourself and with others, and you can have that experience, right? In your physical reality. So to manifest, okay? And there's a few things that people want to manifest the most. It just seems like this is very popular among the collective consciousness, and it makes a lot of sense. And that is the energy of money, currency, right? You always hear about people talking about they want to manifest more money and things like that. And you will often always hear people talk about manifesting romance or a specific person in their life, or maybe they want to manifest a celebrity or something like that, right? But whatever you think about expands. Whatever you think about expands, okay? So you're brand new. You just, came across one of my videos or whatever it is. You heard maybe one of your friends talking about, yeah, I manifested this, man, blah, blah, blah. Came into my experience and it was so fun, it was so cool. And you're like, what the heck? You're like, days ago, weeks ago, you didn't, blah, blah, blah. How's it going? And now, you're all excited, you're all happy, you're all talking about you manifesting this. Like, what's going on here? I want a little bit of that juice. I want a little bit of that flavor. Send it this way. So you're like, okay. Let me explain to you manifesting, right? My law of attraction people, they're gonna explain manifesting by saying all you gotta do is think about it. All you gotta do is think about it. Put out, good energy, good, vibes into the universe, and it will happen for you. Are they wrong? No. But are they entirely right? I don't think so either. Right? But I'm not here to confuse you. I'm here to give you clarity on this manifestation business. What I will tell you is that whatever you think about expands, okay? Whatever you think about expands, all right? And how can you prove this for yourself? How can this be true? I think one of the easiest ways for a beginning manifester to increase your power of belief, your manifestational power, is to do these few things, okay? The first thing is going to be manifesting a text message, all right? Or a phone call. I want you, in your mind, to think of someone that you haven't talked to in a very long time, right? And for as long as you can hold that focus, maybe even just a minute, I want you to concentrate on thinking of this person and putting out good energy about this person. Don't let it be someone who you hating on, right? And y'all got beef or something. I mean, it could be. But your direction of thought, your direction of focus could be, man, I really hope this person's doing well. I really hope this person's doing good. I really hope this person is blessed right now. I really hope, this person is smiling, and just for a little bit, send them some positive energy, right? And see if within the next minute or something is going to happen in your reality that's going to let you know that you were the cause of that effect, right? Either that person's going to definitely text you, that person's going to give you a phone call, or you're going to be speaking to another one of your friends that also knows this person, and they're going to say, hey, I was just talking to so-and-so the other day, and they asked about you. And you're going to be like, what? I was just thinking about them. I guarantee you. It's going to happen. It's amazing, right? So that's one. And once you get that experience, it's very important for beginning manifestors, people who are coming into this power, into this idea. It's very important that you claim that experience, okay? What do I mean by that? All right, you have to claim that experience. You have to say to yourself, I created this. You have to claim it. I created this. I did this. I am the one who manifested this, right? You have to claim it. Because what will claiming these experiences do for you is they will set you up on a path that will allow you to manifest bigger things into your life. The reason why, we can't just think of these really huge manifestations, right, is because our level of belief. We haven't reached a level of belief yet in our own minds that says that we can have those. We have too many limiting beliefs. We have too many conditional thoughts that we haven't unthought, that we haven't kicked out, and that are still taking residence in our mind, that are not allowing us to receive the actual true manifestations that we want, right? And so there's two things here, but we're keeping this simple, right? It's letting go, releasing these ideas and these limitations that you may have believed before. And the way that we do that is with these smaller, right, manifestations that are just as big as a big one, because it's going to happen the same way. You don't do anything different to manifest a free cup of coffee than you do manifesting $1,000 of unexpected income, right? So what I want you to do is take a journal, and in the front of your journal I want you to write manifestation journal. This is going to be your manifestation journal. It's going to be a daily journal, and you're going to do two things, all right? Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to bridge our internal reality with our external reality. Our internal reality says, hey, today someone's going to give me a free cup of coffee. Hey, today someone's going to give me a compliment. Hey, today I'm going to receive a nice tip. Hey, today I'm going to be walking down the street and I'm going to see $100. Hey, today I'm going to buy a $10 scratcher and I'm going to make $1,000. Whatever it is, that'll be cool. I'll take that one. And I want you to write these things down. So when you wake up in the morning, you're going to open up your manifestation journal and you're going to write in the present tense as if you have already received these things. You're going to write, today, I got a free cup of coffee. Today, someone gave me a compliment. Today, someone told me that your hair looks nice. Today, and you can even also put in things in your list that you already know that you're going to do. Because once it manifests, your brain will just continue to start making these connections more and more and more. So you say, today I'm going to wear a blue jeans, right? And you haven't gotten into your blue jeans yet, but I don't know, maybe you'll open up your closet and you'll notice maybe a pair of blue jeans that you never ever wear. And you're like, oh shit, these jeans are nice as heck. The universe can surprise and delight you in so many ways if you allow it to. And with these, smaller little ones, they're very exciting. They're very exciting because they're little boosters, they're little energy boosters that just pump you up, get you all in a good positive state, positive energy, and get you excited for when these larger manifestations come, And so continue doing that every single day. Wake up in the morning and just free flow. Write out a bunch of things that you want to experience throughout the day, I want someone to ask me out on a date. I want blah, 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 this, and this, right? Set out those intentions. And then at the end of the day, you're going to do an end of the day journal. I don't know if you want to do this in the same journal, if you want to get two separate journals. So you can have a daily manifestation journal where you're writing down in the morning all the things that you want to manifest, all the things that you want to see, all the things that you want to create. And then you have one at the end of the day, which you're not writing down what you want to experience. You're writing down what you did experience. So your end of the day journal is a recollection, a reaccounting of all the events, circumstances, scenarios, situations, people, places, events, things that you experience throughout the day. So if you put in your list, I want to see a dog, I want to see a husky today, I want to see a certain type of car, blah, blah, blah. All right, at the end of the day, you should be writing those things in. And maybe the first day only, let's say nothing happens the first day, okay? Do not discourage yourself, all right? Do not discourage yourself, because every thought that you have thought in the past has never died. The energy has never left, right? Okay, we're talking about, kind of quantum mechanics here, because energy never dies, it's only shifted. So all the thoughts that you have thought of in the past are not gone away. They're still building and they're still gaining momentum. That's why if you kind of look around your life and your experience, you will see that some of the things that you're currently experiencing right now, you thought about a long time ago in the past. You thought about it a long time ago in the past. And because you haven't changed that story, you haven't changed that identity, it's still recreating itself in your reality right now. So that's it. That's it, man. We're going to start planting some new ideas, some new seeds in our minds, some new thoughts. We're going to start creating some new experiences. We're going to live our best life. Yo, if you got some value out of this video, if you're a beginning manifestor, or even if you're already advanced, if you consider yourself an expert, if you've now gotten to the point where you can think about things, you can put these intentions out to the universe, and you see the external world rearranging and things manifesting all around you, man. Drop some encouragement, drop some love in the comments, drop a like, subscribe if you want, and please continue the journey. As I always say, continue to realize who you are now. I love you guys, man. Continue to realize where you are now. Realize where you have been, and now realize the future. She just wanna realize the future, realize the future, realize the future. Everybody realize the future, realize the future, realize the future. Yeah, it's a dedication. We gon' have a real celebration. Look, moms, I knew if I would just stay patient, I would go and get it, I would make it, yeah.